This is the Vintage Coach Classic Key Fob, style 7210 in the color red, and it was made in Turkey, and I would estimate it was most likely made in the 1990s. So this is just a small little key fob. I just wanted to show it to you real fast. It does say it was made in Turkey on the back here. Hopefully you can see it easily on camera. It's just a great little key fob. You could obviously attach your keys to this key ring up here. So it's just a nice stylish way to carry your keys. And it is available now in our online store. So if anyone wanted to check it out, I will leave the link below in the description box. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the little key fob, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.